Welcome to Master Cut Gems. Rochelle here. I just wanted to let everybody know that we have our February sale going on now. We have so many new gemstones that we have listed to the website. Dana has been busy cutting since December. I keep telling him he is my cutting machine. So we have so many beautiful glistening gems here on the website. I know you will find something that you will just have to take home for yourself. So stay tuned for my lovely descriptions of these gems, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to our videos. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start with this first morganite here. This is gem ID 11106. This is Nigerian material, and this weighs 6.12 carats. The dimensions are 12.3 millimeters by 7.8 millimeters deep. This has slight clear inclusions, which you can see here within the gem. They almost look like little tiny bubbles within the gem. This is a modified round brilliant, and this is a peachy pink color. Below that is a Nigerian natural topaz. This is irradiated to make it blue. This is gem ID 11105. This is very clean material, and this one weighs 6.97 carats. The dimensions are 14 by 10 millimeters by 6.8 millimeters deep. This is a Swiss blue brilliant oval. Below that is a Nigerian natural green tourmaline. This is gem ID 11082. This one weighs 3.36 carats. This is very clean material, and this is a very rich mossy green color. The dimensions are 10.7 by 8.5 by 6.1 millimeters deep. This is a modified 8-main brilliant oval. Very lovely. Okay, oh, and let me get this one right here out of the way. Okay, and then this is a lovely natural Nigerian spessartite garnet. This is gem ID 11092. This is very clean material. This one weighs 1.49 carats. This is a burnt orange with flashes of red. Very, very lovely and brilliant and lively. The dimensions are 7.9 by 5.9 by 3.7 millimeters deep. And then we come to the natural Bolivian amethyst. This is gem ID 11120. This is a very nice purple, very clean. It does have some minor zoning, which is difficult to see in the video. This one weighs 10.12 carats. The dimensions are 15.4 millimeters by 12.7 by 9.3 millimeters deep. This is a modified oval mixed cut. And let's see if you can see some zoning. There it is. You can catch it right here when I tilt it to the side. You can see that little bit there. Let me see if we can flip it over and see if it's more noticeable. I'm just going to flip it here. Let's see what I can do. Let's see if we can see it here on the bottom. Well, the zoning is very, very minor, very difficult to see. You can see it's a very lively, brilliant purple. Okay, now we'll go here to this morganite. This is gem ID 11108, Nigerian natural morganite. This one weighs 5.90 carats. The dimensions are 12.4 by 8.5 by 8 millimeters deep. It has very slight clear inclusions, which you can see here that looks like little tiny bubbles. And this is a brilliant emerald cut, no treatment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't you just love all of this color? The color of love is up to you. Your choice. There are so many options offered today at Master Cut Gems. You will find a varied selection of vibrant colors, which won't last long on my website. Be sure to take a look. You won't be disappointed. Do you want to see more of Master Cut Gems? Please like and subscribe to our videos, mastercutgems.com.